doing my posts on, or when I still do my posts on JC the Lawn Care Guy, I kind of came up with this little hashtag called Lawn Squad Nation. And so the Lawn Squad Nation to me was like my little thing of like all our, uniting all of us within the lawn care community. So I'd always post Lawn Squad Nation on people's posts or whatever I put up.
You still call your company the Lawn Squad Mowing?
Yes. Yes.
Is that kind of because of the collaborative team that you have there? Can you tell us a little bit about the environment with the company?
So absolutely. I never thought to myself to actually start a lawn mowing business. And it's fairly new, as I know I kind of detailed you on that a little bit, where last year was my establishment year. Crossed my T's, dot my I's, got my business certificate, all the legitimization for owning a business. And that didn't happen like out of nowhere. So doing the JC the Lawn Care Guy Instagram and all that, along the way, I kind of made friends with other people involved in the community and landscapers and DIY people and all that stuff. So when I was doing my posts on, or when I still do my posts on JC the Lawn Care Guy, I kind of came up with this little hashtag called Lawn Squad Nation. And so the Lawn Squad Nation to me was like my little thing of like all our, uniting all of us within the lawn care community. So I'd always post Lawn Squad Nation on people's posts or whatever I put up. So when it came time to decide to name my business and start my business, I found it only fitting to use the Lawn Squad aspect of it and just put mowing attached to it. So Lawn Squad Mowing. I thought it sounded cool too. So